Hello and welcome to my SEMrush free trial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate SEMrush free trial quickly and easily. I have shared a special SEMrush free trial link in the video description. So just go and check it out. When you will click on the link given in the video description, then you will see a screen like this. Okay, it will take you to the SEMrush free trial sign up page as you can see here. So after entering your email address and password, all you need to do is click on this create account button. Now it will ask you some basic question. So just select any option from all these questions and click on continue. So now as you can see, it is going to give you 7-day free trial of Pro plan or Guru plan. So if you want to activate a 7-day free trial of SEMrush Pro plan, then you can select this option. And if you want to activate SEMrush 7-day free trial of Guru plan, then you can select this Guru plan option. Okay, so in Pro plan you are going to get 55 plus tool including 5 project, 500 keyword to track, 100k pages to crawl and PDF export. In Guru plan you are going to get some additional features like you are going to get 15 project, 1500 keywords to track, 300k pages to crawl, content marketing platform, multi-targeting and historical data. So if you want to activate Guru plan free trial, then select it. If you want to activate SEMrush Pro plan free trial, then select this. Okay, and after your free trial, pricing will be $139.95 per month for Pro plan and $249.95 per month for Guru plan. And suppose after activating this SEMrush 7-day free trial, you found that it is not the right platform for you, then what you can do, you can go to your account setting and you can cancel your SEMrush free trial within 7 days. Okay, and if you found this tool helpful, then you can continue your subscription to use SEMrush. So if you want to activate SEMrush free trial, then link is in the video description. I hope you found this SEMrush free trial video helpful. If you still have any confusion, then please let me know via comment below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.